Hey, Sujane and Linda, did you know that healthcare is 5% of our national carbon footprint? Have you ever thought about what an ideal green facility would look like?
Actually, Miles, yes, I have thought about it. And here's a sketch that a friend of mine made.
Wow, there are a lot of elements here.
Yep, there's 8 elements: leadership, education, supply chain, drugs, building and energy, food, transportation, and nature based solutions.
This is very comprehensive, Sujani. I bet a full team at the facility would be needed to address all this. Can you let us know when you have the final sketch?
I actually have it. Here it is.
Golly, it's beautiful. If you took the H off the front, it could be a long-term care facility, a big clinic, or even a school.
Yep, most of the elements are generally the same across the sectors.
Do you think there's a need for an action-based organization in Ontario to help facilities on their green journey?
Oh, you're absolutely right, Miles. There is a need.
What should we call it?
How about Peach? Peach Health Ontario. Partnerships of environmentally active clinicians and communities in hospitals and health facilities.
Very clever. It is a mouthful, but it does say it all, and I love the acronym. We will need a logo.
Yes, we will. And I've already sketched one up.
Lovely. Well done, Sujani. Now what?
We need to make partnerships.
Yes, we will need people from all around the province with diverse backgrounds and skill sets.
We can reach out to the climate stars and tell their stories. I know several of them.
Yes, good idea, Linda. And we can put the stories on a website to mobilize their knowledge.
Mobilize their knowledge. What does that even mean? Will they write essays?
No, Miles, this isn't 1950. No one reads more than 50 words anymore. These will be called Peach Bites, and we will simply summarize the successes, advice, and goals of the climate stars.
We can find stories all around the province.
And these stories will help to engage, educate, and empower clinicians and administrators at other sites.
What else can we do to educate folks?
Well, we could create a low hanging fruit tree to demonstrate the cost of various initiatives and the related carbon reduction.
Cool, Linda. And the color of the fruit could be the amount of carbon, and the height of the tree could be the cost.
Radical. I wonder what the most useful climate actions will be.
Well, you will have to read the article. It's due to be published next week.
Great. I will read it, assuming it's less than 50 words.
And we will need to teach leaders and administrators how to tackle climate change.
Yeah, you could partner with the Canadian Coalition for Green Healthcare on this, an implementation guide for leaders.
Great. What format should we use?
We will make a playbook. It will talk about the basics of mitigation and adaptation.
Yeah, and you can give guidance about the various departments' needs and how they can be involved and the most important tasks they should take on.
These are amazing ideas. When will it be ready? And can we name it after me?
It is already circulating, and it'll be going on the Coalition and Peach websites very soon. And no, naming things after doctors is also a 1950s thing.
Fair enough, Sujani. What should we do next?
Well, action is our middle name, Miles. We need to do projects with all of our provincial partners.
Yeah, and we should aim for a major project in every category.
Yes, let's partner with other organizations to create a new healthcare forest in Ontario and plant over 800,000 trees.
When should we start?
Well, actually, it was launched last month. It is a 10-year project.
Great. What other projects should we do?
Also, the supply chain. It's a massive problem. We need to push suppliers to make greener products.
There are even bigger opportunities within the food sector.
Yup, not many facilities have moved over to the new Canada Food Guide, which emphasizes a plant-rich diet.
Yes, I heard that plants have less GHGs than meat. How should we communicate all these things we're doing?
Well, we will educate people on social media through our website and webinars, and we'll also do presentations and collaborate with our partners on over 100 different projects.
Great. I guess we're almost done.
No, Miles, the Peach journey has just begun.